In this presentation, we will discuss about a legal issue under which the two concepts which will be highlighted in this presentation will be balancing act and whistleblower. Introduction to legal issue. Legal issue in the corporate environment involves ethical dilemmas and legal protections. The balancing act and whistleblowing concepts are crucial for ethical business practices. Understanding both is vital for navigating the complex intersection of law and ethics in the corporate world. The balancing act involves aligning stakeholder need, business objectives, and ethical consideration, with whistleblowing serves as a tool for accountability, exposing wrongdoing within organizations. Both concepts require careful navigation to ensure legal compliances and ethical integrity. The definition of balancing act: the balancing act involves navigating the need of various stakeholders while maintaining ethical standards. It requires balancing business objectives with ethical obligation and legal compliance. An example is profit maximization versus fair labor practices, where companies must prioritize both financial success and employee well-being. Legal compliance ensures adherence to law, while ethical obligation address moral responsibility. Companies must integrate corporate social responsibility to balance these competing interests. Case law often highlights the challenges and consequences of failing to strike this balance. Legal framework of the Balancing Act. Laws influencing corporation include labor laws and environmental regulations. Corporate social responsibility initiatives demonstrate a commitment to ethical practices. Case law highlight the complexity of balancing legal and ethical consideration in corporate decision making. Company must consider the impact of their action on society and the environment. Legal framework provide guidelines, but ethical judgment is essential. The Balancing Act requires a proactive approach to ensure long-term sustainability and positive stakeholders relationship. Labor laws regulate employee rights and working conditions. Environmental law protect the environment from the corporate activities. Corporate social responsibility, ethical practices, and community involvement. The second concept of legal issue is whistleblower. The definition is as follows. A whistleblower is an individual who exposes wrongdoing within a organization. This can be internal reporting within the company or external reporting to outside authorities. Key motivation includes ethics, legality, or retaliation against unethical practices. Whistleblower plays a crucial role in maintaining corporate accountability. Their action can uncover fraud, safety violations, and other misconduct. Understanding the type of motivations of whistleblower is essential for creating a culture of transparency and ethical behavior. Whistleblower protection law: the US has the Sarbanes-Oxley Act and Dodd-Frank Act to protect whistleblowers. India has the Whistleblower Protection Act 2014. This law emphasizes anonymity and protection against retaliation to encourage reporting of misconduct. Effective whistleblower protection is vital for corporate governance. Anonymity ensures individuals can report without fear of reprisal. Protection against retaliation prevents career damage and personal harm. Strong legal framework are essential for forecasting a culture of ethical reporting. Balancing act in whistleblowing. Whistleblowing involves a conflict between loyalty to the employees and public interest. Legal obligation may clash with ethical dilemmas. such as reporting safety violation that could harm the company's reputation. Balancing these interests is a critical challenge. Whistleblower must weigh the potential sequence of their action. Reporting misconduct can protect the public but may not lead to personal and professional repercussions. Ethical decision-making requires careful consideration of all the factors involved, which is loyalty to the employer, public interest, protecting society, legal obligation, adhering to laws, ethical dilemmas, moral conflict. Famous whistleblower cases: Edward Snowden exposed NASA surveillance practices, raising significant legal and ethical questions. Sharon Watkins reveals the Enroll scandal, highlighting corporate fraud and its devastating consequences. This case illustrates the profound impact of whistleblowing on society. The legal and ethical consequences for both the whistleblower and the organization involved are substantial. These cases underscore the importance of ethical corporate culture and the need for robust whistleblower protection law. They also demonstrate the personal risk whistleblowers often face. Conclusions and takeaways: strong legal frameworks are essential for protecting whistleblowers and promoting ethical corporate behavior. The corporate ethical culture is necessary to encourage transparency and accountability. Whistleblowing serves as a vital tool for ensuring corporate accountability. The balancing act is crucial for long-term sustainability, requiring companies to balance legal compliances with ethical consideration by fostering a culture of integrity and providing robust protection for whistleblowers. Organization can promote ethical conduct and maintain public trust. Legal framework protect whistleblowers, ethical culture encourage transparency, accountability, whistleblowing as a tool, sustainability, balancing legal and ethical consideration.